Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, courtesy of Infiniti of Nashua, we have the 2021 Infiniti QX80 Sensory Edition. Actually, it's a sensory trim level. I just heard something rustling. Oh, good. Based on the same platform as the Nissan Armada, QX80 is the biggest vehicle Nissan Infiniti, offers. Let me just look at this. Haven't fully prepped it, I guess. So you can see all the prep work still on it. Even though I probably should take that stuff off, I won't. This one here, stickers for $86,580, and it's finished. Oh, Nissan Moonstone White over Saddle Brown. Nice. All right. 400 horsepower, 413 pound-feet of torque from the 5.6 liter V8 that is also shared with the Armada. Essentially, everything mechanically is pretty much Armada. Hydraulic body motion control system. Hey, that's pretty cool. Does it say what it has for a transmission? I think it's like a 7-speed automatic, something like that. 7 or 8 speed. Definitely a big truck. Frankly, massive. Now the seatbelt, spotlighted this on my Instagram, has a motor. It tightens it and then lets go, and then when you unbuckle, it takes it from you and winds it right back up tight against this so it doesn't end up in the door or anything like that. Dual screens, tow mode. Once we get on the highway, I'll see how many speeds we have. Heated, ventilated seats, everything you will ever need. Backup camera. Just absolutely everything. Alright, without further ado, oh, nice sunroof too. Virtual rearview mirror. Are you? No, come on. But you have that, so that's a half pass. Sunroof, nice grab handle, but all right, let's take this thing out on the road. What's nice is I just drove the newly refreshed Armada. Drove the newly refreshed Armada. People can't really drive. Go ahead, come on. Perfect. Oh boy. I love the 5.6. It is a fantastic motor. Great sound. Now, don't get me wrong. This is a very heavy vehicle. It's not a sports car. Not designed to be. But what it excels at is just being an awesome vehicle. It's huge. It's absolutely massive. In my opinion, it feels way bigger than the Tahoe. And it does feel a lot nicer inside too. Just every material is nice. It's also this one's a good amount more than your average Tahoe too. But I mean, if you're sitting there and you're gonna put down 70 grand on a Tahoe, I'd rather put down 80 grand, 85 grand on something I like a lot better. Just makes a little bit more financial sense to me. Unless you can barely afford a Tahoe, then obviously go base model Tahoe if you just need a vehicle with all the room in the world. But if you want a nice vehicle, QX80 is perfect. I will say it has probably the best ride out of every vehicle I've driven, barring like the Rolls Royce and stuff like that. It just kind of floats along, not really bothered by potholes or anything. And that's probably due to the hydraulic body control system. What a sound! With everything as quiet as it's going to be in here, air conditioning on low, no ventilated seats, no music, road noise is not bad at all. You're going to hear a little bit of wind, that's just the shape of the vehicle for you, but it's not going to be unbelievably noisy. Wanted to get a little bit higher in the revs for the acceleration without going too crazy with speed. So I was hoping it would kick down a little bit more, but alright, it is a 7-speed. I only like to do one high rev pull just because it's a newer motor. This one's a demonstrator, so it has a couple miles on it, but what's really, really impressive is there's no body roll. Obviously, I'm not pushing it through corners. Not a sports car, said that already. But even, it's not, you can't feel it like lean over. It's really composed. Now this is my first time driving a QX80. I've driven the new Armada, the previous Armada, before the refresh. Driven 2, 3, 4 of those now, 4 Armadas. So I've driven the platform before. First time in Infiniti costume. It's sensational, guys. I liked the Armada. I love the QX80. You know, of course, this is New England, so when you want to find a bad road, you can't. But when want to find a nice road, all it is bad roads. So I was hoping to find some potholes or stuff like that to really try out this body control hydraulic suspension, but can't really find anything. It's pretty upsetting, not gonna lie. But even over these manhole covers, can barely feel them. Alright, thank you all so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.